He's about to just go forward. And away they go. Side by side. Carter gives them the lead. Carter just away going through. Oh, with fireball. The Oscar car. And a 2.67. A 2.67. And the crash crew going down towards the bottom end as they fairly...
Watch it on the big screen.
Yeah, we will. Yeah, okay, we'll pick it up on the big screen. Let's just make sure that everything is fine in safety. We'll get a report on that as soon as we can. He is okay. He's out of the car, ladies and gentlemen. He's out of the car, and he is okay. And I believe that he actually touched the other car down the bottom end. A big touch, a 5.67. I tell you what an introduction to Top Fuel funny car racing that you get. Craig, that has to be the scariest thing you've ever been involved in.
Oh, absolutely, Colin. We're just coming up on them now and watching the cars come down. Chief Agent went up in flames, and that's actually collect.
Yeah, I'm getting down there, don't worry.
And I had a very bad crash a few years ago. The first time she ever seen it was last Christmas on video at the tribute night. And I think if Mum had her way, I'd still be back plumbing like I used to do, or building swimming.
Belief at how he walked away from Sunday's crash at Willowbank. His top fuel dragster, which runs on a nitromethane mixture, slewed out of control and snapped a 40-centimetre thick concrete pole as it burst into flames.